Ayu. I'm from the cosplay duo UN. I do cosplays and I also do some cosplay prints and all. You can visit us in our Facebook page right up here or our Instagram page. Right now we're going to do some makeup challenge.
Yeah.
She's going to be the one who's going to do everything on me and this wonderful face.
Yes, perfect canvas. Look at your face. So today, Lisa?
A lot of people call me Lisa, right? What's actually pretty weird is that I also sound like her. Some people say, some of my fans.
Do you sing?
No. Everything she does, I don't do, except for photography. She likes to do photography and I like it too. But I barely dance and I barely sing.
So you just sound like her, like your voice.
Yeah, I tried to dance, I tried to sing, but I guess just get too tired.
Let's start?
Sure.
Let's start. So you're half
Filipino, half Spanish.
and half Lisa.
That's like too many halves.
1.5 now.
You've got like every kind of brush there is. More like a cleaner. There's this moment in time where everyone got obsessed with eyebrows. It's like back then when I was in high school, everyone was like, oh, you should like thin out her eyebrows, make them invisible.
Thin out? No!
And then at a certain point, everyone's like, you need to make them thicker. I don't understand.
Girl, so you have sensitive skin, right?
Yeah.
So when you said like you have a sensitive skin, I adjust the toners and the lotion. With Lisa's eyes, napansin ko parang orangey or peach and orange.
Yeah.
Sunset.
Oranges and peaches and what's her? Coral pink.
So we're gonna do that. Do that. So I'm gonna look at her eyes. Parang hindi ka maiingit dyan. It's round. Yung lids niya here, ang gandang ayusan. Parang dull. So all over, get your lightest shade. Also, you're a fan of Blackpink.
I like Blackpink. I like them more during the earlier times. From Whistle until As If It's Your Last, I really liked her. But her ultra styled fashion into Juju onwards is not my thing. It still looks nice. Yeah, but I like the earlier aesthetics.
Pero mas kilala siya, no? No?
From what I've heard for the Western audience, yes. For the local Korean audience, it seems like the Jenny is a more popular one.
How long have you been modeling?
Okay, I've started cosplaying since 2010. Modeling around 2 or 3 years ago.
When do you like this?
Cosplay is more like a hobby, but I can't really earn from it. The modeling part is more like a mini career of sorts.
Is it hard to be a model, especially ngayon currently?
A lot of my model friends barely has any work now. Maybe when things go back to normal, a lot of fashion things are gonna go on again. But yeah, hopefully.
like about this is so glossy. It flashes the lens.
Yeah.
So what I do is I top it up. With a powder or gel.
I'm also not a fan of glossy eyeliners, especially when I go out.
Done with the first look. Actually, first look to kasi this look is very flexible. Yung pinili ni Ayu, pwede siyang maging ganyang look for like Lisa inspired makeup look. And then, ang next namin look, babaguhin mo lang yung lips and the hair. Yes, she likes it! Bibigyan natin ang second look niya after this second. And we're gonna change the look just by changing the hair and the lip color na meron ngayon si Ayu. You'll see in a few kung paano magta-transform, actually yung kaninang peg namin, which is the Lisa of Blackpink, into a
Chinese porcelain doll one.
He has a porcelain skin, so perfect sa kanya yung ganong look. So ngayon, nalagay niya na yung black hair and with this one, na so cute. So pag gusto niyo baguhin yung look, all you have to do is wipe the lipstick off. Pero let the residue sit there. Kasi yun yung gagawin nating base. Kailangan lang matanggal is yung pinaka-main lipstick tsaka yung gloss. What I really wanna do is put on like a dark lips on her. Para mas mag-balance siya dun sa hair niya. So this is like a round one. So this is a, porcelain doll na medyo edgy. Pwede na kayo actually mag-stop here kung gusto niyo i-sport yung ganyang look. Pero with her, gusto ko kasi medyo may pagka-burgundy something yung lips ni Ayu. So, I'll top it up with a burgundy. For burgundy yung sinasabi ko. Burgundy pa ulit-ulit. Pwede kayong gumamit ng eyeshadow para patong dyan. Pero I like it creamy. And with my fingers, I'm gonna blend everything. I want Ayu to look like kung iisipin ko yung porcelain doll. Kasi meron siyang, actually hindi siya fair. I mean, white skin na talaga. Parang porcelain talaga yung skin ni Ayu in person. If you're gonna see her, see the veins are showing really good. So far, this is the final look. Kayo na bahala kung anong gusto yung color ng lips yung gusto nyong gawin. But with this, madali siyang gawin dahil very flexible. Pwede mong gawin kahit anong lips and hair. Yung eyes, as is na siya. Wala na kaming ganong binago except for the... Medyo in-enhance ko lang yung highlighter kasi nga medyo matte yung gusto namin i-sport with the lips. Ayu, I hope na-achieve natin yung isa pang look.
Super
oh, coming from Ayu, it's a big thing. Thank you, Ayu. Thank you for being here. Sana nag-enjoy ka.
Super, no?
And have family working with you.
Believe ba that it really looks really nice?
Nice! Galing-galing. Thank you, Ayu. Meron tayo another episodes pa.
Dapat lang.
Yes, I like that. So until next episode, Ayu.
Yeah, of course.
Don't forget to follow her sa social media. Ilalagay namin ulit dito. Lahat ng pictures ni Ayu, again, will be posted sa Facebook ng To Your Outer Heavens. Until next time, guys, stay beautiful! Bye!